Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to week 7 of our English 410 class. This week we're going to be working on our MIR project topic proposal. And that is kind of what we're working on. That's just all week. That's what we're doing because it is a big part of laying the groundwork for the MIR report itself. So let's take a look at the proposal here real quick to orient ourselves to this assignment, make sure we have everything we need to be successful. So this assignment is a preliminary step in writing your management investigative report. Obviously, right? It's a proposal for the report. So it's a primary step, and it's going to, that big MIR is due at the end of the quarter. So once again, we're just taking baby steps toward that bigger project. We are working in kind of phases for this. So we had our introduction of MIR proposal. You did your annotated bibliography and source review looking at the current theory. We've planned our manager reviews and we've got those submitted. We've got references that we're going to need. So we're moving through this flow chart pretty well as we're getting closer and closer to that MIR final document. So for our proposal, I'm going to be looking for a couple specific things. It does need to be typed, obviously, because it's online. Double-spaced APA format, and we do want the information in subsections with those bolded headings. You can use first-person narrative in this piece. For example, I plan to interview Bill McKay, who's the Dean of Arts and Humanities Division. We're shooting for about 6 to 8 pages, including the title page and page numbers as a part of that. So we want to have the introduction. Tell me a little bit about your topic. You should have already chosen it by now, right? Because we've had a couple steps where we looked at choosing topics. We've done research. We've done a lit review of the research. So we've got a good foundation laid. So you should have your topic. Fingers crossed. And you want to talk about how this might benefit other people. Then give me a quick overview of current theory. You've read all that research. You've done a lit review. Boil it down into just a paragraph telling me what you found there. Then I'm going to see your review of sources here. Tell me a little bit about what people are saying about your topic. So what's an important theoretical model people are using? What kind of compelling research are you finding? Are there trends that you're seeing? Examples of success and failure? Innovative techniques or approaches? Any conflict in the stuff you're finding? So note that for me. You're going to include your annotated bibliography, which you've already done. So yay, just copy and paste that bad boy over so I can see what kind of research you've got there. Tell me about your 2 managers you're working with. You can take that information from your past submission and copy it in here as well. Good stuff. And then tell me about your interview questions. What do you plan on asking them? I want at least a list of 5 clear questions that you're going to be asking these managers, and they should not be yes or no questions. We want them to be open-ended questions so that we can get a lot of really good information. You're going to submit this whole thing as a single Word document here. So you can double dip. I bet you've already done a lot of this research, right? So your introduction kind of was your discussion board from a couple weeks ago when you were telling me about the project. Current overview of the theory you can pull from your lit review. Review of sources, most of this can come from your lit review. Your annotated bibliography, you can just copy and paste that into this document with your 10 sources, biographies, and annotations. And all that work you did for the manager interview informant profiles, include that here as well. So really, the only original work you're needing to do is including your 5 well-crafted interview questions and giving me this overview of your topic and putting it all in APA format. So really this is just compiling work that you've done already and making changes as noted where things were graded. So for example, in your annotated bibliography, if I noted that it needed to be alphabetized or that you had APA citation errors or that your annotated paragraphs were not complex and complete enough, you should make those changes before including it in this document. And that's pretty much what you're going to be doing. Whole bunch of points just to put all that stuff together. So yay for that. If you have any questions about compiling this MIR report proposal, just let me know. I, of course, am here to help, and I look forward to seeing what you guys create. Have a great week and stay warm and safe out there.